Hello, good evening, creative mind. This is Victor here. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching us how to design a simple data flyer, just as you're seeing on my screen here. So, I have two data flyers represented here. We're going to be doing one of this design. So, for you to be able to do that, you go to your Pixellab. If you already have Pixellab, but if you don't, you go straight down to your Google Play Store, download Pixellab, search for Pixellab. And download Pixellab. So this is Pixellab here. Mine is already on my phone. So after you download, just click on open and it will take you down to your Pixellab and you get started with your design. So let's get started. I'm going to be closing down all these designs now so we can start from the beginning on how I was able to create out this design, so you also can follow and have something for yourself as a data merchant, so you can be able to reach out to your prospective customers out there. But before we get further with this, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So here I have my plain background. This is exactly what everyone is going to see once you open your Pixellab, a plain background just like this. So under the hexagon shape, the first icon you're seeing me touch on my screen there, yes, this icon. Scroll down to, once you get there, scroll down to color. That's the icon. Scroll down to color, you find color over there. This is color here. And then scroll down, change your color background to black. And then click on the OK sign here, and that is that for your background. Then you scroll down to the middle icon, which is the hexagon shape. Click on the hexagon shape, locate shape. This is shape here. So click on shape. You have a 4 square shape here and it has a 4 cardinal points, and it has one bigger point which has to do with increasing the size of the shape. So with these 4 cardinal points, I'm going to be clicking on one of this. I'm going to be clicking on this to stretch out the shape, just as you're seeing, and then click on the other angle to stretch out the other angle, and then click on OK and drag the shape down and position it. I'm going to stretch it out a little and then position it down there, and then scroll down to color, still under the hexagon shape. There is color here. Click on color, enable color, scroll down, select the particular color you're going to be working with. I work with orange color, so this is it. So I'm going to import the image I'm going to be working with. So here are the images. So I'm going to be working with this particular one, and okay. So I have this image placed. Increase the size and then placed here, and then click or scroll down to back. You find to back here. So click on to back and you have this image behind the shape you've already created there. Okay, so this is it. You have the image placed behind, and then okay, go back to shape. You have shape there. Under the shape option there, select the cycle shape, resize it and make sure it's covering the lady's face, and then okay. Then scroll down to back and have the image behind the lady, and then scroll down to color and select your orange color and enable the orange color. So you click on position to make sure that this shape is well positioned, and then lock this by clicking on the layer panel option at the top. This image from moving around. In order for you to make your data labels, for your data labels, you click on that shape to click on radius. So once you click on radius, you give this shape a style. You give it a style, you might likely give it a circle style, a little bit round style. So I'm going to be making my radius 20. Once you do that, you have this all set up. So on these other angle cardinal points, I'm going to shrink out this shape a little. I'm going to shrink it out a little. So this is it. Shrink out the other end, and then OK, position it a little, shrink a little more, and then position it. And then duplicate. After you change the color to yellow, we have MTN as yellow, so I'm going to be making this yellow, and then copy, and then change to red as Airtel. So we'll have that as red. Copy again. We'll have this for 9 mobile. We're going to be changing color to army green. That is that. So we're going to draw this. We're going to be changing this to lemon green for glow, or lighter green, I think. So now we have the 4 network providers we have in Nigeria. So now we're going to be setting this, positioning them appropriately, just as you see me do, or whichever shape you click on, you drag it and position it wherever you intend to. So you click on this layer option at the top also to enable you lock all this image from moving around from wherever you've positioned them already. So for the shape below, I'm going to reposition that. I wouldn't want it to interrupt with your 2 network shape, so I'm going to unlock it. By clicking on the unlock option there. So these are the lock keys. You can lock all the shapes. So I'm gonna reposition this, reduce the size a little bit more, and I think we'll have something good now. So we'll go to A icon. A icon is where you do everything that has to do with your text. Everything that has to relate to text is being done under the A icon. So once you click on the A icon, you find every options that has to do with text editing, adding text, 3D text, and so on and so forth. So click on the plus icon there to add text. So you edit the new text, click on edit, and then edit text, write in the text name. First of all, add color. Then OK, scroll down to font. This is font here. So you can work with whichever font you decide to play around with and add to your text. So I'm going to be working with this, and then OK. So I have this all set up. I'm going to click on text again. Add a new text, data subscription. or capital letter. So for you to enable your work as capital letter, click on the TT icon at the top there to have your text all in capital letter, and then click on OK. So go to size to reduce the size of the text by clicking on the minus sign. I'm going to be working with 25 for this text. Then I'll scroll down to style to make this text a little bit bold. Scroll to style, click on style, add the bold effect by clicking on the B icon. Go down to spacing to space the text a little. So we'll have text space to 25, and then scroll to position. That's position. You use that position to position text, so you find that that's still under the A icon. So everything that has to do with text positioning, text alignment, text is being done under the A icon. So click on position to position this text. So you can follow my screen directions in order for you to get this appropriately. So please ensure that all your positioning are well aligned. So now we're going to be adding the network names, MTN. So position it at the top. Reduce the size. Bold the text. Go to color. Change color to black. First of all, you position it. Then you go to color and add color. So now you have this all set up. You copy it. Position it under the red label option. Make sure all your texts are well aligned. I'm going to be changing this to Airtel. So duplicate the text again. Place under the Airtel under the 9 mobile option. Change text to 9 mobile. Then position it. Please don't forget to change your text to capital letter. Always click on the TT icon I mentioned earlier. Duplicate text, position under the glow option, and edit. Click on glow, type in glow, and then OK. Position, and then change color to black. So you have all this all set up now. So the next thing to do here is to list. Okay, you create price list for each of your data plan. So let's say 1 gig at 300. Let's say 2 gig at 600. So you just create out your own price list, just as I'm doing now. So I'm going to rearrange this. this and reduce the size of this text by scrolling down to size. Reduce the size to 40 and then OK. Go to color, change color to black and then OK. Go to align. Still under the A icon, you find align, click on the middle align. And then you have this wrap list. Double click on it, go to edit. To have this on capital letter, click on the TT icon. And then OK. So we have this. I'm going to be duplicating this just to fill up the other spaces. So you can type in your price list for each of this network and have them placed appropriately. So but for me, I'm going to just copy just to save us time. Change the color. Each network has its own color, so you change it to its default color. So the next thing to do is to add your payment option. So I'm going to copy the MTN size formats and then edit the text position. So you make sure that everything is well aligned in order for you not to have a scattered design. So I'm going to edit this text, align everything, edit text. So pay into, pay into, so I'm going to type pay into, okay, copy this. Why I keep copying this text is to maintain the same text size, text font, and the rest of them, so I don't have to make use of different fonts in my design, so it doesn't make my design looks noisy. Account number, so name, it's going to be Victor Mano 07761826641. Sorry, that's wrong. I'm gonna cut this out. Bank name is Access Bank. And paste this here, the wrong account number, and yeah. So we have this here. So scroll down to align. Click on the other side alignments, just as you see me tap. Then OK. Scroll down to text bold. So we're going to be moving this highlights to highlight the name and then change it to bold. Highlight bank, change it to bold. Highlight account number. Scroll down to color and change all color text to black. Yes. So I'm going to change this color to imagery. But first, let's position it appropriately. And then change color to imagery. And then OK. Duplicate text and then change text. Edit, call or WhatsApp. Okay. So now you add your contacts. So scroll down to size, reduce the size, and then position it appropriately. Scroll to color, change color to black, and then scroll down to style, change to bold. So now automatically you have your social media flyer design for your data business ready to be posted. So with your smartphone you can create your own data business flyer and advertise to reach out to your prospective customers out there. So you make sure everything is well positioned and then click on the save icon at the top there. Click on the save icon here. Click on save as. Pick the highest dimensions, which is ultra. So you can also save this work as a project in order for you not to make mistakes. You can also save the work as a project. Okay, so under that save option there is save as project. So once you save as project, you have it saved as project. So this is it, and please do it to like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to comment. So do it to like, share, subscribe and comment to this video. We are available to respond to your comments. Whichever step you miss, please do not hesitate to let us know and we'll have that fixed. Thank you and see you in my next video.